It's a certified 2018 Jeep Compass. Its size makes it practical, and since it's a Jeep, it can go practically anywhere. And it comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, push-button start, manual tilting steering column, Uconnect with Bluetooth, manual telescoping steering column, manual transmission, rear lip spoiler, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection comments, overall, the Compass has a vaguely sleeker, classier look. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
For service, selection, and value, choose Armory Garage. Stop in today and check us out. We are conveniently located at 926 Central Avenue in Albany, New York.